Hey you, this is me, A.D. Ross with Navi Outdoors. It's a pleasure having you here today. Have you ever wondered how to spool line on a brand new fishing reel and rod after you put it together? Well, this episode is going to cover just that. But there's a couple things you're going to need before we get started. Alright, so the first things first, we're going to need our rod and reel assembly. Alright, now we went over a couple of these in some previous videos, so if you ain't check those out yet, go ahead and catch yourself up and come back and visit us, because we'll be here just putting this together. All right, and the next items we're going to need are fishing line. Now I tell you, there's a ton of different fishing lines out there, but I don't want you to get too wrapped up in the brand or the kind just yet. Just get you something to start out with. This is a Zebco brand, and it's about $1.50 for 700 yards. Now I go with 10-pound test because I tell you what, there ain't gonna be too many fish that we're catching at this point in time that are gonna be more than 10 pounds. If it is, you need to look up your local trophy catch association and let them know that you're in the game, because they're gonna need to keep an eye out for you. So the next thing we're gonna need is a fingernail clippers. All right, these are a fishing type brand, so they got this little hook that's going to help me secure my hooks and my line once I get it together. But you can just pick you up a local set at the local drugstore if you want to, and just keep them in your tackle box. They're real handy when it comes to stuff like this. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to grab my rod and reel set up. And I want you to keep in mind that we're going to open this bail first and foremost, okay? So just open that bad boy up, because in order to reel a spinning reel, we're going to need that open. So next things next, I'm going to take my line here, okay? I'm going to take some off. Now I want this label facing up. I'm going to set it on the ground here out of view. That's going to help the line come up off this nice and neat when I go to start reeling it in, okay? Now, once I get my line out, I want you to notice that I'm going to pass it through this guide here. Now, this is a guide. Remember I was talking about the eyelets in the last video? That's a guide. We're going to pass it through there. All right, it's still coming off nice and neat. Now, our bail is open. Keep that in mind. The bail is open, all right? Now I'm going to wrap my line around here, and this is where that overhand knot comes into play, okay? I'm going to tie me an overhand, right? I'm going to make me a little loop, pass the tag in through the loop, and snug it down on that reel, okay? Now I'm going to go one more time, like I said, is make me a loop, pass that tag in through the loop, and I'm going to snug it right down like that. Now what I like to do is I like to clip off this little excess. You see this little excess tag sitting here? Just to clean it up nice and neat. And there we go. So I'm going to take it now. Now, one important thing you got to keep in mind when you're spooling this line on this reel, okay, is you want to keep tension on the line as you're spooling it in. So I'm going to close this bail, okay, and wrap it down in the little groove where it's going to start spinning around this reel, all right? So I'm going to keep tension on this line. Now it's feeding up from the bottom out of screen here where you can't see it, but the label's facing up. So that line is just wrapping right off that reel, the spool. That's what I'm talking about here. So keeping tension, I'm going to start reeling now, okay? Sometimes you want to let it in light so it don't spin around. And then you can start picking it up. All right, so start out light, nice and slow, and then you can start picking it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this. This might take, I don't know, the lesser of 5 minutes, but we're gonna try to get it on real quick here for us. So you just keep reeling, reeling, reeling. We're gonna go to about 1/8 of an inch. Now I'll show you what that looks like once I get it close there, but like I said, this might take, the lesser of 5 minutes, but we're running through it here. Always, you want to keep that tension on that line going on to the reel, okay? Make sure it's going through that guide, and you're having yourself a good time here. I know it's kind of painstaking, but that's what it's all about. You want to make sure that line gets on there real nice and neat. Okay. And we're just about there. I ain't gonna load it up too much here, but we're pretty close. So that's about all I want to put on there, okay? So I'm making sure this is still tight. I want you to look at that. That's pretty close to the 1/8 of an inch. But that's about it there is to it. Then I'm going to take my excess right here and I'm going to just go snip it off. Now what we're going to do after this is we're going to run this line up through the rest of our guides, okay? So that's a very important part of this process, is you want to run that line through the rest of them guides and back out. Now I got my drag set on real low. Can you hear it? That means I can pull some line out pretty easy, all right? You want to make sure none of this line wraps around any of these guides any which way. It's going straight up through it. All right. We are almost there. All the way through every guide, making sure it doesn't wrap around any other guides. That way it's nice and flush in there, all right? So I'm gonna shut it off right here, and we're gonna come back with the tying the knot on the line, which is a very important part of this process, but I don't wanna ring you on too long. So if you liked what you saw in this video, please go ahead and smash that like button with your big finger. And come back and see us, because we're about to tie a hook on this line and get ready to fish, buddy, all right? So it's been a pleasure having you today. I appreciate you for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.